Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to sign in on Lufthansa. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch any browser of your choice, which of course I have done right here. I'm currently using Google Chrome. Now from your browser, head over to the search bar, and in the search bar of your browser you're going to have to type in Lufthansa and punch the enter button, and that's going to take you right here where you have a couple of URLs right displayed. But this is the official website for Lufthansa. You have the https //www.lufthansa.com. so go ahead and click on OK, and once you click on OK, that brings you right here into this fantastic homepage. Now over here, check the top right corner of your screen, so go ahead and click on agree for you to agree to the privacy settings. Now check the top right corner of your screen. Of course, after this homepage has loaded completely, you're going to see this option that says login now and benefits, quick and easy flight booking, your bookings at a glance, personalized offers, and you have the register now option. So for you to sign up, if you're signing in for the first time or you're logging in, you want to log in, of course, after having an account. So go ahead and click on this login option, and that's going to take you right into the sign in window. So from this sign in window, if you already have an account and you just want to sign in from there, go ahead and enter your travel ID, which is your email address, or your service card number, and go ahead and punch enter the next button, and you will sign right into your account. But if it's your first time and you're signing up for the first time, just go ahead and click on register for travel ID, and that's going to take you right into this window where you're going to have to follow through with the step-by-step processes necessary to create your account. So here you go. Enter your email address, your password, click continue, and then if you need to create a maximum account, that feel free to do that. And then you have a personal data, which is the next step, and you have the communication, and you have a confirmation. So once you're done with all of these steps, your dashboard, your personalized dashboard, is going to be created for you. So this is pretty much how you can sign in, either by logging in or by creating a new account on the Lufthansa airline. So that's pretty much it. You can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.